Hello guys, today I want us to design a flyer using AI. So come to ChatGPT. So we have drafted our information. Let's say you have an information you want to work with. So for instance, now you come here, you write a church flyer, design a church flyer. This is our prompt. Design a church flyer with theme for the theme forever. So make a bracket forever in forever. Forever in our hearts. Then you give it time you say 5 p.m. That's the time. Then you say for date will be 15th of August. So under the 15th of August, you you make a break. Then venue venue should be the venue will say Dunamis Chapel. That's it. So under this Dunamis, so now let's press enter and see. We're just trying to prompt it. Let's see what it can offer. So at this juncture, we are waiting for it to give us our review. So from here, it's slowly getting out. It's currently creating our image. So let's wait for it a bit. So now this is what AI was able to generate to give us. It said, Dunamis Chapel Family Faith Forever in Our Heart. It said this was the flyer it's generated. So those of you that are lazy, that you want to create, it gave us this cross. So if you say you want to edit this, you can edit the information down here, remove it, change one or two things, and then you are good to go. So, but if you cannot have this creativity, please, and if you want to make shortcuts, just hit us up. So if you are that kind of a lazy type that want to use AI for design, so you cannot download it and make use of it as at when due, and then you download from here and then you post it. So thank you, and if you love anything about this tutorial, hit us up. Don't forget.